Hey everybody, in the spirit of breast cancer awareness, during this month for every order purchased, WowAfrican will be donating a percentage to the Memorial Care Long Beach Medical Center Hospital to help the fight against cancer and to support its survivors. Also, there's a 10% off sale if you use the code BCA10. Let's dive right in and get into this particular wig that I'm sharing with you guys today, this perfectly cut blunt bob. I love a good blunt bob. So inside here is the cap construction, and it's very, very comfy, very nice for us ladies who have a lot of stuff that they're tucking under that wig cap, honey. And there's combs and a lot of parting space, so you can do any kind of style you want. This particular unit came pre-plucked, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut the lace off right now. It takes no time at all. If you're a little bit nervous about messing up, just make sure that you give yourself a little bit more room to play with. And you got your adjustable straps in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and use my favorite powder that I always use to kind of make that hair melt into my wig cap. So now I'm just pulling down the sides and making sure that the hair is symmetrical on either side. And I'm going to adhere my wig today with a little bit of Got2b glue styling gel. Okay, all right. I know my wig cap is looking crazy. I made a mistake and used the wrong color, so it's slightly darker, but you know what? It did not affect the end result. So ladies, if you do not have the right color wig cap, it does not matter. You can make it work. So now I'm gingerly laying it down on my head and making sure that the sides are symmetrical. And I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of some of this hair on the side to try to customize my hairline a little bit. This particular wig is about 130% density in the front and 180 in the back. So you get a nice, thick, full wig that looks very natural. So now I'm just brushing it back, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a little bit more baby hairs on either side, and just to have it look a little bit more face framing. Again, you don't have to do this if you are not a fan of baby hairs. You do not have to wear baby hairs, girl. You can go ahead and put that on and walk out the front door, but because for the sake of this video I'm trying to put together a little bit of a look, I am customizing it a little bit more. So now that I have my edges laid, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this face beat. Done, ladies. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this headband. I fluffed it up. I liked how it moved so much. The cut is so blunt. You can wear this to the side. You could wear it parted. You can do anything you want with this wig. It can be worn so many different ways, and it's so versatile. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And definitely check out WowAfrican's website to learn more about what they're doing this month. Take care, guys. I love you. I'll talk to you later. Bye.